Hi guys, it's me, Chidima. The video is going to be maybe 15 minutes, or I don't know. I'm still need to edit, so I'm editing right now. But I had to delete a lot of things, like how to do an intro, like stuff, because I felt like the peanut butter was way too little. But I don't know. And if I post this today, because I think I am going to do that today, I already have the thumbnail going out. And this video was yesterday. It was a raining day. I don't want to keep this clip way too long because I still have to cut 2 minutes out of it. So one was just how to get an intro, good intro, and I'll do that on my next video. Also some thumbnails that you can copy and how to do them in the same video, or maybe a part 2. Anyways, I'm talking really fast because I need to get out of here. This is already 1 minute and I need to edit stuff out. Anyways, another clip that I'm going to erase that it's kind of important, but I think it's just way too dramatic and I don't really need it, is me fake crying. No, not too fake crying inside the bathroom because I was like, it was just really weird and cringy, and I know like people like cringe, but I don't think we need that. I was like, I'm so sad. We can't do the soap recipe. So there's gonna be no soap recipe. I'm gonna be talking about it, but there's no soap recipe, and there's almost 2 minutes right now. But yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chidima, and you're watching Chidima Vlogs. It is raining outside right now. It's raining kind of badly. I don't think you all can see that, but it's gray in the sky. And I'm going to try to post a video every single rainy day because, yeah, why not? I'll probably have to post tomorrow, but I'll try to do it today too. I don't think I can edit that fast. Well, I think I can, but I'm kind of lazy. And I have to do the thumbnail and all that stuff on Pixar, and well, it might be a short video. I think it's gonna be a short video. This is something that you can use to make money. Yes, that's what I said. You can make money with this since lots of people need it, but you can make it for a cheap price. You can make, guys, it is flooding outside. It's actually really flooding. I'm gonna show you. We left our garage open and it's flooding outside. Can't see that? Let me zoom in on the ground. Hold up. Let me. Can you see that? Wait, hold up. Let me stop for a second because I'm standing on something. Focus the camera. Yeah, you see that? You see that little kind of darker spot? That is the what is it called? The sewer, and it's literally flooded on it. Oh, I don't know. Anyways, maybe we'll do a bonus since it's flooding. Maybe we'll do dog treats. Well, I don't know. I've been looking for stuff about dog treats to make for this guy, but I need to eat. Power, not. I'm so fat. Okay, I'm gonna start with the dog treats. This would have been real shorter if we had our giant freezer, but nothing's in our house except for little things that we're gonna give away to people. And actually we just trashed everything in our fridge yesterday, so that wasn't a good idea. But we have both dog treats. Oh, he already knows. And he also has food. So actually, I'm gonna put the dog treat in there so he can know how to be in there. So yeah. We're gonna make only one for today. And it's gonna take like a little bit. I don't know how long we're supposed to put in the freezer. I think it's till it's hard. So we're gonna do that. We have, ew! Why is this peanut butter like dripping something? I don't think it's water because it looks kind of yellow. Like on the bottom, it's dripping. Okay, is that okay to eat and swallow? Okay. Okay, I looked back onto the YouTube video and it was super simple, super easy. This is going to be my mold because, again, we have absolutely nothing in the house. So I just took this from the trash, literally just took this from the trash, ripped it up, and we're gonna be using these two. No, actually we're gonna be using one because I'm only making one for today. And then we're gonna be trashing that because we don't need that junk. Yeah. So let's make this. We need a bowl right now. So let's get a bowl right here. Right here, please. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's here now. No. Hope there's no ants. Yay, no ants. So I got our only knife. I'm pretty sure this is our only knife. We can't bring knives onto the We're doing construction in our house. Sorry. We can't bring knives onto the plane, so we're gonna trash that. That's why this is our only knife. We're gonna use this. I'm really confident that this will work. If it doesn't, it's still peanut butter and dog treats, so he can eat it even if it doesn't freeze. Yeah. I'm not gonna mix it with this because that's just gross. It's so noisy, guys. So we just have to do this video. Okay. Okay. So now, just need to mix it. Okay, so we're just mixing it, and now we're gonna put it into this mold. So yeah. So this mold is done. Now I'm just going to wait for about 2 to 3 hours. But while we're doing that, we're gonna roll into our next video because why not? I mean, not next video, next thingamajig, I don't know. Okay. As you guys know, I'm doing a burst of videos. If you saw that video that I posted, I said I'm going to be doing a burst of videos because I personally hate it when people comment on stuff and then I press on their account and then they have stuff from 4 years ago, but the comment was recent. I'm like, no, where are you? I want to see you. Or like, if a person I'm subscribed to or I like doesn't post, I'm like, no. So I'm going to do a post. Sorry. Anyways, enough of me talking. I'll put this in the freezer, and we're doing another one of my thingamajigs, okay? This video will probably be edited today and posted tomorrow because I need to make the thumbnail, and I dropped it, but that's okay. Sorry guys, I just been crying because I let you guys down. I have no more soap. Wait a minute. This doesn't taste like salt because I'm not crying. Okay guys, let's check if the dog treats are ready. Okay, so we have nothing on our fridge except for this, which is lonely, and this, which everyone did not know about. I just found it in our garage randomly, so. Okay, so it's right here. Ew, why is that so dirty? It's pretty hard, but it's kind of hard, but it's not like you know. It's kind of sticky, so you need to wait, dog. You need to wait, Odie. Okay. I might make some with apples, but I'm afraid that's gonna rot and like, I don't know. Okay, let's see if it is ready. Let's inside the carton. It's kind of still sticky. Why am I trying this? There's dog food in it. But there's no dog food on my fingers. But I just remembered there's dog food in this. So, humans, disclaimer. Yeah. If I was paused, like I looked like, it was because it said 20% battery. So, okay, let's try to take this out. It's not like fully hardened, but that's a kind of a bummer. That's it's kind of still sticky, so I might leave it again. I want to mold it into something, but I'm afraid because of the chunky things. So I'm gonna leave this for like about an hour and charge my phone. And this smells so good, and I want to lick it, but there's dog food, so remember that. I got it out the freezer, I touched it, and I think it's done now. So far it came out like this, and so I'm just gonna take a picture of it, and there's my thumbnail, so yeah. Okay, let's see how my dog likes this. Do you want it? I think he likes it. He loves it. Don't you know? I think he really, really likes that. And yeah. So. I just forgot we have to put that in our cage for him to practice. So I guess I'll be making another one.